Restore harmony to your mind, body, and spirit with this 12-minute guided meditation for elemental balance. Reconnect with the stability of earth, the fluid flow of water, the passion of fire, and the expansive clarity of air. Find a comfortable, seated position or lie down softly on your back. Allow your hands to rest gently on your lap or by your side. Close your eyes. Take a deep, slow breath in through your nose. And exhale gently through your mouth. In this moment, you are stepping into alignment with nature. Within you lie the 4 sacred elements: earth, water, fire, and air. Today we invite each element to restore balance, harmony, and peace to your inner world. Bring your awareness down to the base of your spine, your seat, and the points where your body contacts the surface beneath you. Visualize warm, ancient roots reaching out from your body, sinking deep into the rich, dark soil of the earth. Feel the absolute stability of the earth below you. It holds you effortlessly. You do not need to carry anything right now. The earth carries you. Inhale deeply, drawing up the heavy, grounded energy of the earth. Steady, solid, and safe. Exhale, releasing any tension, anxiety, or restlessness down into the soil to be transformed. Affirm silently to yourself, I am grounded. I am secure. I am rooted in my strength. Feel the solid, reassuring presence of earth filling your lower body with calm stability. Now, gently shift your attention to your lower abdomen and your heart. Visualize a calm, crystal clear stream of water flowing gently through you. Feel its cool, soothing presence washing away any rigid thoughts, held emotions, or resistance. Water does not force its way. It adapts, flows around obstacles, and finds peace in movement. Allow your breath to become like the tide, a rhythmic wave rolling in and flowing out. Inhale the soft, healing grace of water. Exhale, letting go of control and allowing life to flow effortlessly. Affirm silently to yourself, I flow with ease. I surrender resistance. I trust the river of life. Feel your body soften and yield to the peaceful fluidity of water. Move your focus upward to your solar plexus, just above your navel. Here burns a bright, warm inner flame. See a golden light flickering, gently fanning into a steady blaze of warmth, confidence, and passion. Fire is the energy of transformation, courage, and vitality. Feel its gentle warmth spreading through your chest, igniting your purpose, burning away self-doubt and awakening your inner power. Inhale deeply, breathing light into your inner fire. Exhale, letting the flame burn away fear, leaving only pure, bright energy. Affirm silently to yourself, I am powerful. My inner passion guides me. I transform all obstacles into strength. Bask in the radiant, empowering warmth of fire. Finally, lift your attention to your throat, your third eye, and the crown of your head. Picture a vast, clear blue sky open wide above you. A gentle, cool breeze brushes past your skin, carrying pure, fresh oxygen into your lungs. Air brings spaciousness, perspective, and mental clarity. With every inhalation, feel your mind opening, expanding like the infinite horizon. Thoughts become light, drifting past like soft white clouds. Inhale the pure clarity and light of air. Exhale, releasing mental fog, overthinking, and heaviness. Affirm silently to yourself, "My mind is clear. I am free. I see my truth with total clarity." Feel the weightlessness of pure expansion of air surrounding your whole being. Now bring all 4 elements together inside you. Earth grounds you. Water softens you. Fire awakens you. Air frees you. You are balanced. You are whole. Take one final deep breath, feeling the combined power of the elements flowing in harmony. And exhale fully, returning to your physical body. Gently begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying this perfect elemental balance with you into your day.